Hello and welcome to this short video on understanding the business model canvas. My name is Narottam Das and I'm having 18 years of experience in project and program management. Let us now have a look at the agenda. I will first give you a brief introduction, then we'll discuss the 9 building blocks of business model followed by the business model canvas, and we'll take up an example to understand the business model canvas, followed by the summary. Well, so do you have a startup idea, or are you thinking of creating value and building new businesses or transform an existing one? If the answer is yes, this video will definitely help you to learn and understand the concept of business model canvas. Today, numerous business models are emerging and disrupting the existing ones. This tool will help you to visualize your business model and identify the ways to help face your competitions. The starting point of any good discussion or a meeting on business innovation should be shared understanding of what the business model actually is. It should be simple, relevant, and intuitive. This will allow you to easily describe and manipulate business models to create a new strategic alternative. A business model can be best described through 9 basic building blocks that show the logic of how a company intends to generate revenue. The 9 blocks cover 4 main areas of a business: the customer, the offer, the infrastructure, and the financial viability. So let's have a quick look of each of these segments. The first segment is the customer segment. This defines the different group of people or organization the business aims to reach and deliver a value. The next block is the value proposition, and which is one of the most important block of the canvas. It describes the bundle of product and services that create a value for a specific customer segment. It addresses the pains of the customer. Next is the channel. It describes how a company communicates with its customer segments to deliver the value proposition. Followed by the next block, which is customer relationship, and it describes the type of relationship the organization establishes with the specific customer segments. The next block is the revenue stream, which represents the cash the business generates from each customer segments. The key resources building block describes the most important asset required to make a business model work. It could be a physical, financial, intellectual, or human. Next block is the key activities, which describes the most important thing a company must do to make its business model work. Next is the key partnership block, which describes the network of suppliers and partners that make the business model work. It could be a strategic alliance, joint ventures, buyer supplier relationship, or even a strategic alliance with a competitor. And last but not the least is the cost structure, which describes all the cost incurred to operate the business model. This includes the cost of creating and delivering value, including key activities and resources. In addition, it also includes maintaining the cost for maintaining customer relationships and channels. The nine building blocks form the basis of a handy tool which is called the business model canvas. This tool resembles a painter's canvas, which is pre-formatted with nine blocks, which allows to paint the picture of a new or an existing business model. The business model works best when printed on a large surface so that groups of people can jointly start sketching and discussing each elements with post-its and board markers. Now, we'll look at an example of a business model canvas. Let us understand Uber's business model through the BMC. The customer segment that Uber caters to is the commuters, who are the people in need of transportations. And the other customer segment is the car owner and or the drivers. So what are the value propositions that Uber brings to the table? A reliable transport for the commuters and also convenience, which includes pick and drop from anywhere. The value proposition for the car owners is a constant business. The channels that Uber uses is their app and the website. They maintain a good customer relationship with their customer segments using the rating service and also the AI engine which drives the entire business. The key activities are platform management, support of the same. Next, the key resources are the tech platform which Uber uses, the network of drivers, and the brand. The key partners are the payment processors and, of course, the Google API for the map. The costs include the platform cost as well as cost of promotions, and the revenue stream is the share of fare that they get from the driver. So, we have learned the nine building blocks, also understood the business model canvas with the help of an example. So, what are the next steps that you should do? So, pick up any business that you know or you are willing to start and all of this, put all the elements of this building blocks and try to visualize the business model. So I will stop here, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. This is my email address, which is narottam at 80 at gmail.com, and you can also reach